is produced. We look at where it's produced. Now let's look at the consequences of it. First, let's look at water usage. Our water usage rate goes through the charts. For instance, it takes 76 gallons of water to produce 1 ounce of chickpeas. Or think about it this way with some other ones that I have here. One almond, this right here, one almond. You see that? If you're growing this in California, 1 gallon of water. Do I feel bad for eating it? A little. Did I miss my mouth? 3 grapes. 3 grapes. 1 gallon of water. The grapes. They're going to take. You want a celery stalk? Half gallon of water per celery stalk. You want 1 carrot. Hold on. How many carrots do I have in this bag? I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carrots in here. Half gallon per each. Avocado, about 40. It's about 7, depending on the avocado itself. I've seen some other stats that say it's about 72 gallons of water for a pound of avocados. It's bonkers. We're using more and more water than we ever have before. And where is it coming from? Basically, our reservoirs underground, and therefore, we're also seeing more arid land and more desertification as a part of that. Second, we have overfished many parts of the world, as you see here. And more parts, and I've been trying to find a better map, more updated map for this, but I never really have it. It's a solid map. And so with that, we've gone more aquaculture. Aquaculture is literally just farming that is in water. All it is. Aqua is your soil at this point. A lot more fishing has been done. It's being referred to as the blue revolution. You're seeing this more and more, even in the oceans, where you'll stake off water basically with big nets and grow fish in the ocean. It essentially works like a feedlot. You're not going to let the fish swim as far, and you have them contained. Well, they get bigger faster, flat out. We're using more and more fertilizer than ever before, and then that comes into waste runoff. Now, yeah, and then animals are producing way more amounts of pollution than they ever have before. Okay, so this is Iowa. Are comparing some stuff in Iowa, and you can see here how much manure is getting produced. So here you go. U.S. livestock produces perhaps 900 million tons of waste annually. That's 3 tons of manure for each car. And then also the climate change effects on that as well. Then we are feeding them more and more antibiotics. Okay, regions produce the most pork and chickens. Okay, a lot of the United States, a lot of China. They use more antibiotics than ever before. Hotspots around the world include the Midwest and then also southern China. So this is drug use. We give them way more antibiotics to animals than we actually do to humans, and that's to keep them alive. The other parts of this is, but something that needs to be talked about here is consequence of agricultural practices. We grow more food than ever before. Flat out, we do. We have enough food to feed the world because of this, and that's the catch-22 of all of this. And where it gets hard is I don't have a good answer for you. We have more food to feed the world, but we're doing it in ways that are not really sustainable. So how can we start doing this? And by the way, we have access to more healthy food than we ever have before. These raspberries about like 4 days ago. They've been sitting in my refrigerator. They're still good. These grapes, a couple days ago. That celery, it's probably about a week old. Guess what? I would still eat it right now, and it's still perfectly fine. We have access to healthier stuff more than ever before. We have access to some of it. That doesn't mean we're eating it. But we still have the access to it. What should you know from this? So you know aquaculture, you should know our water usage rates and our animal usage rates as a whole. It's a balancing act of where is right. I don't know. We have more food than ever before, but we have it at what cost?